Good morning everyone, welcome back to GMG Chess. Today, let's analyze one of the intense game in the 83rd Tata Steel 2021 between Grandelius and MBL. The game was very intense and complicated, wherein White played very aggressive Bishop G5 and White win convincingly after he get the advantage by avoiding the repetition of MBL in the 9-10 move. Without further ado, let's go now to the game. Grandelius played E4 and MBL plays C5 as his pet opening, Sicilian. Knight F3, D6, D4, C takes D4, Knight takes D4, Knight F6, Knight C3, A6, Bishop G5, more aggressive than Bishop E3, E6, F4, Queen B6, Queen D2, Queen takes B2. We call this Sicilian Najdorf poison pawn variation. Rook B1, Queen A3, F5, very aggressive. Bishop E7, F takes E6, Bishop takes E6. If F takes E6, then Bishop C4. A good move. Develop at the same time, attacking the weakness at E6. Knight takes E6, F takes E6, again, Bishop C4, good move. Attacking the E6 again. Knight BD7. Again, Black focuses on the development. That is the concern of Black in this opening, the development. Bishop takes E6. If Rook takes B7, then Knight C5. Black is better because of development. At the same time, Black can recapture or regain the pawn by Knight takes E4. Knight C5, Bishop B3, Rook C8, Castle, Knight takes B3, capturing the strong bishop at B3. Rook takes B3, Queen C5, Bishop E3, Queen C4, then Rook F4, planning to move E5, then Queen E6. If Knight H5, it was played in the latest corresponding game, and White can do repetition. After Knight H5, Rook F1, Knight F6, then Rook F4. But again, MBL avoided that variation and playing for a win, but unexpectedly leads to losing. After Queen E6, Rook takes B7. White is better now. Castle H3, Rook B8, again exchanging rook because the rook at the 7th rank is so strong, and Black is trying to control the open B file in the queen side. Rook A7, again avoiding the exchange because the rook is very powerful in the 7th rank. Rook A8, Rook takes A8, Rook takes A8. Again with tempo for White, because if capture at B8 and Black Rook immediately occupy the B file. Knight d5, rook b8, c4, then bishop d8. If knight takes d5, e takes d5, rook b1 check, king h2, queen e5. White is slightly better. After bishop d8, queen f2, knight d7, bishop d4, occupying the important a1 to h8 diagonal and attacking the g7 pawn, bishop g5, rook f5. White is winning after this move. Bishop h6, king h2, a prophylactic move. Rook c8, queen g3, and increasing the pressure at g7. Then g6. Again, the bishop at d4 so strong now. Queen h4, good move. Bishop f8. If bishop g7, white play queen e7. Multiple attack. Attack the g7 and e6. If black capture, then knight takes e7. Double attack. Check at g8 and rook at c8. After bishop f8, rook f6. Moving away the black queen at e6 square. Queen e8. If knight takes f6, then knight takes f6. And after king f7, queen takes h7. Rook takes f8. Again, removing the strong bishop, the one that defend the black king. Queen takes f8, knight e7, again regaining the exchange, but removing the strong defender, the bishop at f8, because black has a weak dark squares. King f7, knight takes c8. After this move, black resign. After queen takes c8, queen takes h7. And white can easily pick up all black pawns. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.